Let me show you all of the accessories that does come with Samsung Galaxy A56 5G. So first of all, I've already removed the device from the box and it's right here on the right side of my desk. And now I can open the box. And inside, first thing you may notice is another cardboard box which contains all of the stuff. There's also a quick start guide right here in this compartment of that box. So now we can open the actual cardboard box, and it just opens from the top or bottom. Actually, let's do it right here. And now inside we'll be able to find the cable, which is USB-C on both ends. And there's also another instructions, term, conditions, and etc. So I'm not gonna even remove that. And that is basically everything that this device comes with.